Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Gateron CJ switches. These linear switches are making waves in the custom keyboard community, and for good reason. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how smooth they are. Gateron has pre-lubed these switches at the factory, and it makes a huge difference. There's virtually no scratchiness, and the keystrokes feel incredibly fluid. The CJ switches boast a full POM housing and stem. POM is known for its low friction properties, which contributes to that smooth feel we talked about. The actuation force is 45 G, which is on the lighter side, making them great for fast typists and gamers who need quick response times. The actuation point is 1.2 millimeters, and the total travel is 3.4 millimeters. This combination results in a responsive and comfortable typing experience. Durability is also a key feature. Gateron claims an 80 million keystroke lifespan for these switches, thanks to the gold-plated springs and leaves. The extended 22 millimeters spring also adds to the snappiness and responsiveness of each key press. Aesthetically, the translucent design in light blue is quite appealing. They'll let your keyboard's RGB lighting shine through beautifully, adding a custom look to your setup. They support both 2-pin LEDs and unraised SMD LEDs, giving you plenty of options for customization. Gateron has also paid attention to packaging. The switches come in a small gift box, which provides excellent protection during shipping. This is a welcome change, as bent pins can be a real headache. In terms of sound, the Gateron CJ switches have a deep, muted sound profile. They're not clacky or high-pitched, which makes them suitable for office environments or shared spaces where noise might be a concern. The pre-lubrication further reduces any unwanted noise, resulting in a clean and satisfying sound. If you're looking for a smooth, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing linear switch, the Gateron CJ is definitely worth considering. The pre-lubrication, POM construction, and thoughtful design make them a standout option in the crowded mechanical keyboard market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.